team at WVIJ 91.7 FM loves providing today's contemporary Christian music and uplifting Christ-centered content. We have music that's fun for the whole family. We strive for new ways to encourage and to share the good news of Jesus Christ. Follow us on Twitter at WVIJ Radio. Like us on Facebook. Visit us at WVIJ.com. Hear us at 91.7 FM in Charlotte and surrounding counties, where we are playing the best in today's Christian contemporary music that the whole family can agree on.
You stay the same through the ages.